Mine is very clear. I cannot be diplomatic.
Yeah.
I cannot be politically right. I cannot do all of that because I'm a very open-heart person. I care a hell about what society thinks about what. I stand for myself and I do myself. So I was reading all the comments also over there. Oh, poor Amulya. Who told Mumaik to come? And I was thinking, look at the whole world. If it happens to their own mother, sister or their wife, their girlfriend, they will stand for it. And because I am standing for myself and I have my own voice, because nobody can, if I have my own voice, I bet anyone who will stand. I bet. मैं खुद का ही ख्याल रखूंगी. मेरे को माँ बाप की जरूरत नहीं है और मेरे को किसी की सिंपैथी की जरूरत नहीं है. मेरी गलती मैं खुद सुधारूंगी. मेरा अच्छा मैं खुद देखूंगी. क्रेडिट मैं खुद को दूंगी और मेरे माँ बाप को क्रेडिट दूंगी कि मेरे जैसी लड़की को पैदा किया.
ఇప్పుడు చిన్నప్పటి ఇలాగే ఉందా ముమ్మ అయితే from starting? From
childhood. From the childhood. Ask my mother. Since childhood, I have always been like this. You cannot. You be nice to me. I'll be very nice to you.
Okay.
You ask me anything. It's always 24/7. It's available for you, and my door is open for you. My mother also knows. कि दिल से प्यार करती नहीं तो भगा देती है. मालूम है. माँ को भी मालूम है. वो किया. वो होने के बाद what happened? I was not supposed to yell. And plus I was doing all the stunts. It was giving me pressure.
Okay.
I was not supposed to do that. So वो build up. So when final आया तो मैंने, और please genuinely tell me, after being on this position, I'm not saying oh I'm on a high position. Yes, in your eyes and in others' eyes and the respect what the other people they give me, I totally appreciate that and I accept my position where I am. But do you genuinely think I have gone over there to do a competition with girls? No, I was there to test myself. क्योंकि मेरे को इंजरी हुआ है. मुझे देखना है कि मुझ में कितनी ताकत है.
Okay.
How much power do I have to take it? You know, you have a willpower. So my only thing was, even though if I reach to the top, I will never do the final with them. That was my from the beginning. I will never do any finals with them. It was from the beginning. पर अगर top में आया, एक चीज़ है, I will motivate the girls. Can see? And I told Swapna, don't tell anybody about it because till the end, till the time I don't decide to leave, and if the pressure doesn't happen too much for me, till the time I don't decide to leave, don't tell people about it because I don't want that sympathy and all that jazz. क्योंकि वो है ना, the seeing ना, the judging of people will become different.
Yes.
Towards you.
Yeah.
You know when somebody
when
gets
not well, that sympathy. And
and मेरे को नहीं पसंद. I don't like it. I genuinely don't like it. So when in the end, when I said it, they all were shocked. And I was like, एक तो उसको yell करना, फिर कल वो apple भी उठाना नीचे से. I was not supposed. I don't know how to swim. I was not supposed to do the water stunt.
Okay.
And because I left gym, right? And after leaving gym, your body becomes, because your muscles are there. You grow muscles. और एक बार gym, once you leave, तो muscles lose होते हैं.
Okay.
You don't, fat doesn't come. The muscles become loose and that's where your weight become more heavy.
Okay.
So when the water wala scene was there, the poor guys, they couldn't rotate me. I was laughing my ass out. I was like, oh my god, I've become so fat. Like huge, not even fat, I've become so huge. Okay, they can't even rotate me. Still I did the water stunt. Still I did the pressure stunt. Still I jumped from the height. Still I did a lot of things. पर उसको चिल्लाने के बाद थोड़ा pressure ज़्यादा हो गया.
Okay.
Because I am a person, if you call me on time, especially for shoot, I'm always on time. I don't do hair and makeup. If you have seen me in the whole Super 2 also, there is no makeup. I love to be myself. I don't want to get ready. When I'm working, I would love to be ready and like, you know, do my thing. Otherwise, in normal thing, मेरे पास time नहीं 5 बजे उठ के makeup and hair करने. Sorry. I would rather take rest and eat my medicine and like, you know, recover myself, start healing myself. So that day, I didn't get up. तो I thought नहीं यार, अब नहीं. ये एक लक्की होता है, 2 लक्की होता है, 3 बार लक्की होता है. उसके बाद तो भगवान भी खुद बोलेगा बेटा बहुत ज़्यादा कर रही है, छोड़ दे. So that's where I realized when I didn't get up on time for my shoot, for my work. I told Swapna, नहीं भाई Swapna, बस I guess top भी हो गया है. I have reached on the top. बस है. Let me leave the message to motivate people because there are many people who go through depression, diabetes, obesity. They go through so many illness, sickness, and like frustration, money problem, ये problem, घर का problem, husband problem, wife problem, children, money, monthly expenses, कैसा पैसा कमाना, हर महीना कैसा देना है घर में, घर चलाना है, क्या क्या नहीं problem है. Everybody have this problem. That problem can only be solved if you keep yourself happy.
Okay.
No need to run behind anything.
కానీ 14 years అప్పుడు ముమ్మాయిత్
13 years
అప్పుడు ముమ్మాయిత్ ఆ మనీ గురించే బయటకు వచ్చింది ఇంట్లో నుంచి కరెక్టా?
From the age of 13 I started working because in all my previous interviews if you have seen that we have reached to the position where my mom used to even search for 50 paisa in the house.
Okay. What was your dad by that time?
My dad was retired. He used to work for Mahindra & Mahindra. He was the main manager. He retired because earlier 50-51 they used to retire, right?
Okay.
My dad is 66 man, 68. 66-68.
When you was 13?
No, now.
Now,
My mother is 59 now.
No, by the time when
he was retired, na babe. Company
when you were 13, he retired.
Of course,
okay.
I was born late.
Okay.
My older sister, she is 41, 75 born. Zabain was born after 9 years, huge gap.
Okay, totally you are three
sisters.
Three sisters.
Yeah, I'm the youngest.
Okay.
I'm the youngest.
Yeah.
इसके लिए तो वही एक था कि जब मैं कर सकती हूँ इतना मेजर जो अभी भी मेरा लाइफ रिस्क है इवन राइट नाउ माय लाइफ इज ऑन रिस्क टिल
because of that injury.
Yeah babe, I'm not supposed to work for 2 years, it's only going to be 1 year now.
Yes.
I did Super 2 within 3 months. After that I finished so many, like Tikka shoot I finished it, then there was a song I finished it, then there was Ma award show I finished it, then there was this event I have to go, I have to finish, then this Gemini I did. So I have been going, I have been active but not that active when I used to be 4 years back because that time I used to only work. Because there was no personal life. Babe, I never saw my teens.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I never saw my teens, I never saw my 20s. At the age of 26, I decided to take a break.
Okay.
From the age of 13 till 26, continuously day and night I was working. And at the age of 26, I decided to take a break. Was it wrong? No.
No.
क्योंकि मैंने तो मेरा बचपना भी नहीं देखा, मेरा पर्सनल लाइफ भी नहीं है, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ माँ बाप को ही देखा है मैंने. सो ऑब्वियसली आई डिजर्व दैट ब्रेक. व्हेन आई टुक द ब्रेक, हाउ पीपल स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग एंड आई फाइंड इट सो पैथेटिक एंड पिटी ऑन देम कि ठीक है यार, उनका भी घर मेरे बुराई करने से ही चलता है, चला ले भाई, कर ले, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाट.
ఎక్కడ బేసిక్ ఎక్కడ మీది నేటివ్ ఎక్కడ?
Bombay.
బాంబే.
Yeah, Mumbai. I'm born and brought up in Mumbai.
ఓకే.
My father is from Pakistan. My mother is from Chennai, Trishnapalli.
ఓకే.
ఒక నరసింహచారు అలా ఉంటాడో అలా ఉంటా. లుంగి వేసుకొని బనీని వేసుకొని పొద్దున్నే వేపుళ్ళు వేసుకొని.
మీ వైఫ్ చాలా విపరీతంగా బాధపడేవారంట కదా.
ఆమెకు కూడా ఒక డౌట్, ఈయన్ని హీరో పెట్టి ఎవరు చేస్తారు, పిచ్చి కాకపోతే చెప్పారు. అంటే ఏంటి రేపు పొద్దున ఈయన ఏమన్నా చేస్తే చాలా అతను కొన్ని అంటే చాలాసార్లు ఏడ్చిన రోజులు
అంటే అది వేరే అమ్మాయి అంతే
అంతే, అమ్మాయి కావచ్చు ఇంకేదన్నా ఒకవేళ తను వదిలేయచ్చు మనల్ని. నీ అంతరాత్మ సాక్షిగా నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైనా వీడు నాకు అన్యాయం చేశాడు అని నువ్వు కంటతడి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అనుకొని చేసినాడు, ఆ రోజు నా పతనం స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది చెప్పాడు.